Menteri Rangba Kejala Baderu Menteri Ketenat Kampo Yeng Kejala Ba Preston Tersong Ulong Ba Kesorkar kan Thwet Ting Yakitu Kibadon Kiti Hakikam Khai Drop Ulay Thuru Baki Pulut Mentah Kilabun Kam Hakajinga Khoni Udrop But Kimdon Porsho Wat Panthiaru.
More will do so. More will do so. And then see our police team, they hardly sleep as far as fighting against drugs is concerned. We are doing that. And I'm telling you, we are trying our best. We are trying our best to numb, especially the supplier of drugs. You know, for those addicts, we knew very well. Even the Shillong or even the family members, they will come willingly report this that. But see, ultimately, we need to really come on the supply very, very heavily. And we are doing that. That's what I'm telling you. The police forces don't sleep every hour, every day, every night. They are working on this. Let me tell you one thing. It is not that we don't have enough input. It's not that we don't have enough manpower. We do have. The only point here is this. At least even public, in case if they have any kind of suspicion, they should also willingly come, inform to us. We will not disclose their name. Just inform us something fishy here, there, or some kind of suspicion happens here, there. Then the police will be there. Around 2,000 vacancies are there, and now we are in the process of ultimately bring out the advertisement, because recently the cabinet has just approved few amendment made in the existing rules of the police central board, recruitment board. So we have already amended that, and then very soon the advertisement will come.